where did you go? We used to be kids, now I feel so grown. I miss being free to be me, not alone. I used to have friends, but we don't talk anymore. I guess that's on me, I got busy. I used to drink soda, now I switched to whiskey. I didn't want time to pass, but time is fast. I just wish you were more than memories. I got kids now, but I'm a kid now. I haven't grown in my mind, just my skin now. I don't get taxes, I hate chores, I hate mail, bills, and miss the outdoors. I feel like the air used to smell different. The grass was greener and the summers were for swimming. I used to play baseball every inning. Now I work for a living. Watch more podcasts and hear less music. My brain feels different and I don't wanna lose it. I try to stay healthy but I'm tired all the time, cause there's too much on my mind. Got into meditation, just try to be more patient. Find a passion, a purpose, a reason to keep chasing all the dreams that I had when I was a little kid. Whatever happened to those dreams, man, there's something that I miss. Maybe I should do this, I always loved music. Maybe I could find a way to make these dreams lucid. I really wanna try, cause I might have a chance before I die to see the world with a soulmate by my side. Yeah, that would be the life, not a fucking 9 to 5. I wanna feel alive for a minute at a time. Let the kid out that's been stuck, captive on the inside, who had dreams, big things were gonna come from his life.
Can you hear me calling? Am I wasting time? I can hear the echoes left with no reply. Can you hear me calling? Left inside my mind. What was once a fire, now the embers light goodbye.
It's 5 a.m., ain't nobody see the work that I'm putting in. Something deep inside a thirst, I can feel it in my skin. Look around me, it's a curse. Think I'm losing all my friends. An overnight success, what they'll call it in the end.
I got this hunger inside of me, violently scratching and clawing. The scars multiplying, I need something more in this life. It ain't finding me, fuck it, I'm done being silent. You see, I need purpose, a reason to think that it's all fucking worth it. A reason to wake up and live in this circus. A reason to fight all my visceral urges. Growing up, never felt like I fit in. I still don't, but it's better when I get wins. On stage, looking out at my best friends. We gon' get real loud till the night ends. I get pissed that I still don't have a top 10. It's a fucking boys club at the top then. Like a bracket haze just to get in. I ain't doing that shit, I don't pretend. Yeah, I wanna be the best. Always had a drive that I had to beat the rest. Yeah, put me in the game when there's only seconds left. When the game's on the line, yeah, you see me at my best. I can feel it in my heart when it's beating at my chest. That's when I lock in, getting better every breath. That's when I'm all in, I can handle any threat. I ain't never second guess, I know I could be the best. Let me tell you what I know about life. Yeah, the more that you push and the more that you fight is the more that you learn. What you got deep inside is the more that you learn, and you'll find out your why. It wasn't ever that cool to be a try-hard, but all the cool kids didn't make it that far. It doesn't take education, it takes smarts. It takes fucking hard work and a full heart. They ain't see the work that I put in. They just see a rock star with a big grin. That's cool, I don't need recognition. I just wanna be free, that's a must win. Try me in a race, I'ma dust them. If the money hot and tell them I'ma bust in. I don't understand, hate all the fussing. Get a job, get a life, go do something.
It's 5 a.m., ain't nobody see the work that I'm putting in. Something deep inside a thirst, I can feel it in my skin. Look around me, it's a curse. Think I'm losing all my friends. An overnight success, what they'll call it in the end.
I got this anger inside of my veins, pumping adrenaline when I feel pain. I don't know why I was born with this, I feel so torn as shit, I can't ignore it, yeah. I wanna punch till my knuckles are bleeding. I want your best, so when I win, you're defeated. Go ahead, think that my kindness is weakness. I'll use that naiveness. I got a disease and it's choking and squeezing me. I cannot sleep till I get what I'm seeking. Need
shift, feel the change, man, it's happening. I feel like we're losing our minds, nothing's balanced yet. We're wasting time on our phones, it's distracting us. Imagine just abandoning the hold that they have on us. I know it's hard, I ain't saying cold.